record. It doesn't show on here, but I'm recording right now. So I'm gonna start speaking. Let's see, moving along. Can I get level 1 on this thing? I'm moving along. I'm speaking, right? You don't have to speak, but can you underline? Okay. I can eliminate it giving opposites. Are we giving opposites here? Are any of these the opposites? No, so that's what we're trying to get to. So right now I'm going to make opposites, watch. You see, I'm going to multiply this by 2. I'm going to multiply the whole thing by 2. So 2 times 2 is -4. Because I want it to be the opposite of +4. You could also done this by -1 because you could also make it opposite of -1. Okay, and then 2 times 1 is +2. Salud. You're gonna record yourself just like I am right now, and then if you already finished, then you should definitely record yourself on the next one. Not so much like you don't have to speak, but you can screen record what you're doing. That's also valid. Even better. Okay. Now notice how I made opposites, and I'm gonna solve for one variable. That will put me at the almost there level. Okay. Now, I can eliminate those, I can add these up, and I can subtract stuff like this, and I can divide by 3 and divide by 3, and that I can find the value of y, which is 4. So that puts me right here right now. That's where I'm at right now at this level. Now, I can make opposites, solve for one variable, but am I going to get stuck right now? I don't know. I'm going to try to solve for the other variable. So I'm going to bring this down, the one on the bottom, and I'm going to write it again here with my finger. 4x plus, how much is y though? I should not put y, I should put the number for y. What's the number for y?
4.
Thank you, Cesar. And then you actually equals -8. It's only 2 minutes and my recording is still on, so I'm going to be in good timing to finish this up. And then I get stuck here. I'm already at 2.5. I'm so proud of myself. You should be proud of yourselves as far as you get. I'm going to try to get to a level 3 right now. I'm going to solve this thing for the other variable. So I'm going to go -4 and -4, because that's what we do. We move the one without a variable.
It's 4. It's -4.
The bottom one?
No, it's +4. Is there a negative?
Well,
No, it's -4.
2 negatives, you add them up, Cesar, so be careful. Okay. -12. It's going to be -12 total. And then you got the 4 to divide by, and you got the 4 to divide by. I had fully solved the system. That becomes 1x. That becomes +3.
4 times 12 is 2.
Thank you, sir. What do you mean?
4 divided by 12 is 2, isn't it?
Thank you, sir. Now
it's 3. It's 3.
Yes. We've achieved level 3, but I still have to write it as a coordinate form. So, and that's what the recording will look like. Look, it's 3 minutes. 3 times 15 is 45. I can listen to all of them. Some of you will... Go ahead.